Are you looking for gardening services in your area? Our team of gardeners at 1Services Mowing and Gardening in your area are ready to help. Your local 1Services gardening team can help you with ongoing garden maintenance, a one-off garden cleanup, seasonal tree and shrub pruning, fertilizing, mulching, weeding, and lawn mowing. We can also give you expert advice about larger gardening projects, from the installation of automated water solutions to a water-wise garden design. Just let us know what you need. Our experienced and professional gardeners at 1Services Mowing and Gardening team can give you up-to-date advice about all aspects of garden care. Whether you're having issues with seasonal soil pH level testing and soil composition or plant selection, placement, mulching, and fertilizing, we know what we're doing. You can also ask us how to promote strong root systems in different plants, how to avoid damaging plants and flowers when fertilizing, which wetting agents and watering systems to install. For your total reassurance, all our gardeners at 1Services Mowing and Gardening are police-checked and fully insured. Each gardener is also fully qualified to industry standards and monitored regularly to ensure that all work is efficient and high quality. We don't have a one-size-fits-all program. We will meet the individual requirements of each job to ensure every customer is satisfied. Is it time to give your garden a new look and even have some fun in your yard? Do you want some advice about your current garden or a brand new gardening project? For a reliable lawn mowing and gardening service, contact us on 1300-497-595 or visit our website 1servicemowing.com.au.